My name's Alice Njeri Kemani. I started my business back in 2005. The will to know how the world is, I decided to try a business. When I tried business, at first I was like a hawker because I used to hawk. Then I decided it's good to have a specific place. And my auntie used to have a shop there, a place called Stage Market near Sacco. So she introduced me there and I had a shop. But there was those challenges you would have every time you are starting a business because I was so new. I didn't know where to get the goods from. And it was not easy because I've never been in that business. I didn't know where to shop. I bought together with things that were not moving. So instead of business going up, the business started going down and down. And I had to look for where to get the finances from. I started approaching different banks where I was doing the bankings. But by then they used to ask for collateral. And being a small business person, I didn't have any collateral to give them. So it was so hard for me to get good money to drive my business. So I struggled, I get 100,000, which was not sufficient for me. After much struggle, I started by getting 300,000 from a bank after a very long process. Eventually I struggled, and in the process of driving in business and looking for ways and means to survive, I came across a friend of mine who was a member at United Women's Sacco, and introduced me and told me if I save up to 100,000, I'll be given 300,000. The times 3, I'll be given times 3 of whatever my shares were. And the minimum by then was to raise 100,000 so that you can be given 300,000. And saving 5,000 per month by then was a real struggle. It was a real struggle, but through thick and thin, I said I must make it. So I started saving 5,000 per month. When I get more, I save until I got the first 100,000. When I got the first 100,000, I approached United Women's Sacco and they gave me 300,000. So when I was given 300,000, I saw, oh, Kube, it is easy. It's so easy to get money because it was so quick. My mom and my friend guaranteed me, and I was given the money. I think in less than 2 days I had the money. And I saw this is the place to be because there before you could struggle, you alone, and it was just 300,000 could stay. Before you get that loan, you have struggled for more than 1 month. But when I got to United Women's Sacco, the loan couldn't even take 2 days. So that's how I started. I started by taking loan of 300,000. And the interest rate again was too small because it is 1% reducing, which it was not the case with other financial institutions. Their rates were so high. Plus, when you look at the repayment, when you're given that 300,000, maybe whatever you end up pocketing in your pocket is about 250 because there is charges for commitment fee, there is charges for insurance. But for United Women, it's if you apply for 300, it's 300. That's how I started my journey with United Women. And since I have been a member from 2012 to date, and I have been increasing my savings every day. With the United Women's Sacco, I've been able to achieve financial freedom. So, can you?